Hello, good viewers. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing today so that you can get more of my new videos. Then don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. So I have this exponential equation here. So now we want to know the value of x here. 4.9 to power x minus 27 equals 9 to 3 to power x plus 1. So therefore what we can do, we can actually rearrange this by taking everything here on the right hand side to this side, because we can see the value of x here by just collecting the like terms, right? So we have 4.9, that is 4.9x, okay, then minus 2x plus 1, okay, then I send this to the other side, 27. Okay, so from there we can also rewrite this second term. Okay, so we have 4.9, that is 4.9 to power x minus 3 to power 2x dot 3 to power 1. So now this is from this fact, okay, from the law of indices that say when you have a to power m, okay, then plus n, this will be a to power m, okay, dot a to power n. So what we're going to do from there, so we can see that we have this in this form, then we try to split it in the other form here. So therefore what you're going to do from there, so we're going to see that we're going to equate this to be 27, right? So now from there what we do is that we have 4.9x, that is 4 dot minus, so I can write this as 3 to power 2, okay, then the x outside multiplied by 3 equals what? Equals 27. So now from there the next thing we are going to do is, you can see that we have this to be 4.9x. don't forget this point is multiplication, so we call it dot, minus, so this can be written as 9 then to power x dot 3 equals 27. So now from there, so what do you think we can do? We can see that we have 9 to power x here. 9 to power x here is common, so we try to factorize 9 to power x out, so remain 4 here, then minus, we have 3 here, then equals what? Equals to 77. Are you following? So now from there, coming from here, you can see that 4 minus 3 will give us, we are going to have 9 to power x. So everything here will be 1, because 4, taking 3 from 4, we're going to have 1 equals what? 27. So now from there, so we can rewrite this as 9 to power x equals 27. So 9 to power x is same thing as writing it as 3 to power 2. Then we have what? We have x here, okay, equals, this 27 can also be written as 3 to power 3. So now from there we have 3, 2 times x, we have 2x equals 3 to power 3, 3 to power 3. So now so far we have the same basis, that is from the law of exponential. So their exponent will be equal, we have 2x to be equals 3. So therefore this implies that x equals 3 over 2, right? And that is the solution to the problem. Okay, so we have x equals 3 over 2 to be the solution to the problem we have here. Kindly like, okay, share, subscribe, and hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload a new content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.